औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम जी आयानु बखैर आगले नी हाउ चुनशुम्मे वशमले ओहाय गंजाइमस guten morgen hola boyo привет kaifa hal हाल शमचतोरे ahlan wa sahlan marhaba buna mucho gracias suami balli करे आया होश ख्याल दे ना वसाय खुया मोरा चीवत तो ची हाजो काली मेरा खैरुतान and a very happy Eid Mubarak. हालांकि मैंने ईशा को समझाया था कि ईशा जब मैं बोलूँगा तो साथ बोलना, but it's perfectly okay because it's Eid today anyways. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to be Shahzad Hasan Khan. With me, I'm really lucky that I've been joined by a little later Miss Isha Rehan. Hello Isha. Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak. How are you feeling today?
Walaikum assalam Shahzad. I feel absolutely great and phenomenal to be here on set with your very enthusiastic and charismatic energy, and also I feel blessed because I am not at home because my home is filled with the meaty and smelly bakra smell.
Oh my God.
However, I am safe on
Gen
set.
Z. Yeah, but it's perfectly okay. You know, for people who are out there, ladies and gentlemen, we certainly want to wish you a very happy Eid Mubarak for each and every one of you, wherever you may probably be, even if you're a Muslim or a non-Muslim, if you represent or you come from any walk of life. You know, our religion, Islam, alhamdulillah, is very inclusive, and that's exactly the messages for everybody who's out there. But please make sure that you really do not behave like my father on this Eid, and it's because of the fact कि वो किसी मौलवी की बात सुन के एक दिन घर में ये भी कह दिया था कि सारा गोश्त आप खुद भी रख सकते हैं. I'm sorry Abu for saying that, and my mom really got angry about that कि यार तुसी किधर कोलो एक गल सुन के आए हो. But what about you? What about your father? Did you do Qurbani, by the way?
Yes, we always do Qurbani, and you know I love
no, you, particularly you.
Oh no, I could not.
But ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, we're very lucky that we've been joined by some amazing guests over here inside the studios. Certainly, all of these people who are joining us are more like a family, alhamdulillah, for the number of programs that we have done together, for the number of patients who have been visiting them as doctors is something that we always think, yaar, ye family doctors ban chuke. But not just that, ladies and gentlemen, very quickly, I'm going to introduce this wonderful lady who, other than being a doctor, is actually an influencer. You know, she's always on Instagram making different videos about going gym, clothes, and then there are days where, you know, her husband actually kind of thinks about kind of photo bombing or, you know, video bombing as well. But first up, the lady, ladies and gentlemen, she happens to be Dr. Rubia Usman, who happens to be a medical consultant. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak.
Thank you. Eid Mubarak to you all.
Thank you so much for joining us. Wonderful to have you over here. And alongside him, where I spoke that, you know, how so many of my family members have been going and seeing him in clinic as well. So the last time when one of my elder cousins actually had gastro issues, he had to go to him. And alhamdulillah, he's doing wonderfully well, which means he's a great doctor too, ladies and gentlemen. And you do need a gastroenterologist on Bakra Eid in particular, because of the fact that last year I do remember that there were 330 medical emergencies with people only in Islamabad, and they had to go visit gastroenterologists. So ladies and gentlemen, the one guy who never goes out of business in Pakistan, he is consultant gastroenterologist and hepatologist, Mr. Dr. Usman Aftab. Hello, assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak to everybody as well.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Wonderful to have you over here. On my right hand side, ladies and gentlemen, he's a legend. I mean, if you are to speak about the music scene of Pakistan, when we got into pop music after, you know, the duo of the Nazia Hassan and her brother, I think these were the people always on Pakistan television because there was no other channel and you really couldn't have choice, you know, but just to listen to their songs. But even though those songs were fantastic and amazing, and if I end up over here today as a very well-learned guy, it's because of the fact that he got me into school. Ladies and gentlemen, we're very lucky that we've been joined by the former band member of Vital Signs. He's a musician. He's an insurance guru as well. He is Mr. Rizwanul Haq. Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. Eid Mubarak to all of you. And I loved your introduction. पता नहीं आपने कितनी जुबानें बोलनी थी. मुझे बाद में समझ जो आई थी ना वो ईद मुबारक ही आई थी.
Well, thank you so much, Rizwan bhai, for being with us. Lovely to be in conversation with you. I think let's get the conversation started with you first of all. Yeah. You know, it's Eid, it's Bakra Eid. I know that, you know, for the men of the house, it's not really Eid on Bakra Eid. Thankfully, we are in such a field that, you know, we really do not have to stay for a longer period of time at home. But otherwise, the chores are difficult. Yeah. Your message for whatever you want to say to the nation today.
Yeah, सबसे पहले तो सबको ईद मुबारक हो मेरी तरफ से, and let's look forward to a fantastic future for Pakistan. Pakistan is a blessed country. We have all the weathers of the world in this country, and we should always feel proud to be a Pakistani. I certainly feel very proud. मैंने जो कुछ अपनाया, जो कुछ मैंने पाया, मैंने पाकिस्तान में पाया है. जो मैंने अपना नाम बनाया, मैंने जो शोहरत हासिल की, वो जितने भी हमारे पाकिस्तानी लोग हैं उन्होंने मुझे दी. पाकिस्तान में रह के मेरे लिए पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद और मेरे लिए पाकिस्तान
क्या बात है।
हमेशा पाइंदाबाद.
Pakistan Zindabad,
What
Pak
an
Fauj
encouraging
Paindabad,
message.
Alhamdulillah. But sir, Rizwan bhai, just one simple question. That is, did you ever think that this young boy who got you into school, one day you'll be on his show too?
नहीं नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल शिजान. बल्कि यार मैं आपसे जब बात कर रहा था शो से पहले,
Yeah.
यार इतना से होते थे आप, तो फिर इतने इतने होते, मेरे से भी लंबे हो गए आप माशाल्लाह. Never thought of it, but what an achievement यार.
Alhamdulillah. Thank
By
you
the
so
way, I love the kurta यार.
Thank you so much. Made by my wife, because if unfortunately I'll forget to say
वो
this,
शो के बाद
why it
उतार के
won't
दे
be the
दीजिए.
same.
शो के बाद उतार के दे दीजिए.
Sir, done. कोई मसला नहीं. Let's move on to Dr. Saab over here. So Dr. Saab, whatever you want to say today, please go ahead. The platform is all yours.
No, thank you for having us. Eid Mubarak to everybody. और खुल के खाइए, लेकिन just remember, whatever you eat, you'll have to pay. So अपना समझ के खाइएगा and try to look after your gut.
Yeah, I think thank you so much for saying that. But Dr. Saab, because you mentioned it and I've mentioned how many people actually ended up in an emergency because of the fact that they ate so much, how are things usually within the hospital? Do you get a lot of emergencies because of people consuming so much meat?
No, yes, definitely. To be honest, second and the third day is more common. The first day is usually boluses, which people just hoggle these things and gobble them down and they get stuck. So we have, every gastroenterologist has stories about bones getting stuck in the gullet and esophagus, and we doing cameras and pulling them out. So most of the time, that's our Eid day. But this is why I said, अपना समझ के खाएं, and the bakra, once it's slaughtered, is not going anywhere. So it will be there.
Because Eid is prime time for your patients to come to you, and since they indulge in gluttony and all this.
No, as we were talking off the air, the first day is for Kasais, the second day is for us.
Doctors.
Well, obviously,
that's
so
okay.
you can probably use the first name on the second day too. But all right, moving on to Dr. Rubia. So Dr. Rubia, what about you? Whatever you want to say, please go ahead first.
We thank you so much for having us. It feels like जैसे घर की बात है यहाँ पर आना, and your set is beautiful and all of this like festive vibe is amazing. It feels complete now.
Exactly.
For everybody else, please Eid Mubarak to you. आप अपने friends और family के साथ गुजारें. ये बड़ा अच्छा time है to kind of like mend gaps, mend barriers, and go find those family members जिनको आप सारा साल बेशक ना मिले हों. And this is the time just to rejoice and just enjoy each other's company. तो थोड़ी देर के लिए put aside all the differences, गोश्त भी share करें, खाना भी share करें, दावतें भी खाएं और enjoy भी करें दूसरी company.
So do you have any such family member or friend at the top of your mind who you're going to visit this time?
I will visit all of them very happily. I don't know whether the reverse is true though.
Dr. Saab is laughing over here. I think Dr. Saab
देखिए
knows.
ना, and be compassionate towards your husband as well, ना? So इसलिए हाथ हौला रखना. We are also relatives.
Ladies, ये टाइम है सारी अपनी शॉपिंग लिस्ट, सारी बातें मनवाने की. देखिए, आई थिंक इस साल में जैसे रेजोल्यूशन न्यू ईयर्स होती है, हमें हर ईद पे रेजोल्यूशन करनी चाहिए
We should.
कि हमें ये जोड़े चाहिए, ये चीजें चाहिए और मियाँ से निकलवाने चाहिए.
Okay, everybody talks about mending gaps with your relatives and all, but nobody talks about their husbands and mending your gaps with them.
Because that's one relationship which no matter what happens, either mended or not, it's still going to be there. That's one relationship you can never get rid of. You're like, okay, ye to idhar hi hai. Rizwan bhai, because it's Eid, so let's get started, with a little bit of nostalgia from vital signs or whatever you would want to share. So please go ahead.
Yeah,
and,
why not यार. You remember the song Itubar?
Who cannot?
It's a cult class.
इतना मुझे याद है।
बहुत ये कह के आपने सारे बकरे ज़िबा करवा दिए। एतबार भी आ ही जाएगा, चलो तो सही, मंडी से लाके तो आगे कुर्बानी करा दिया।
And one thing about Vital Signs is कि this takes us back.
True.
I don't think any other band or singing, Pakistan is doing a very good job in this music front. But this is one thing that takes us back. Even old people like me start feeling young.
You know, we all have some memories attached to these
Nostalgia.
songs. You know, like
Absolutely.
we've grown up together, listening to these songs, playing these songs. तो हमेशा कोई ना कोई एक association होती है गानों के
Exactly,
साथ ना।
because I think it's these songs who actually back in those days when people were a bit more religious as well. These were the songs who made us fall into relationships. एतबार भी आ ही जाएगा।
ये बड़े अच्छे गाने होते थे। You know, like decent, nice, lyrically, you know, family oriented songs.
Very family.
All age groups.
I've never ever seen my parents probably listening to these songs as well. But I think I've seen a lot of people kind of romanticizing on these songs, and I think it's great. I think Abrarullah का वो भीगा भीगा सा ये जो दिसंबर है, हालांकि दिसंबर भीगा वो कभी नहीं होता।
जब से हम बड़े हुए वो भीगा होना ही छोड़ दिया। We wait for that song to be played. हम कहते हैं कि बारिश होगी, लगाएंगे, पूरा दिसंबर गुजर गया, इस दफा भी
Exactly,
नहीं
and
बारिश हुई।
it's not happening. But sir, very quickly, I think what we really need to kind of get out of you is your fondest memory from Bakra Eid, from wherever it may be, when you were 5 years old, 10 years old. So please go ahead. Let's see. What's your
यार,
fondest memory?
मुझे ये समझ उस वक्त आई, बकरा ईद पे ये समझ आई कॉन्सेप्ट के वैसे जब आम तौर पे जब गोश्त खाते हैं ना तो आई लव भुना हुआ गोश्त।
Okay.
अच्छा, अब वो डेली बेसिस पे जब मैं खाता हूँ तो उसका जायका मुझे पसंद है, मुझे आदत है। अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था कि जो ताज़ा जब बकरा ज़बा होता है ना, उसका जब गोश्त पकाया जाता है तो उसमें एक टेस्ट और किस्म की होती है।
Yeah.
You know, so I was a kid obviously and I couldn't eat it. And I asked my mom, I said, क्या कर दिया आपने ना? And I couldn't understand the concept. And then I was told by my mother कि जब ताज़ा बकरा ज़बा होता है ना तो उसका गोश्त का जायका बेहतर होता है बनिस्बत जो हम लोग
Frozen, जी।
खाते हैं रोज वो
Stored, yeah.
3-3 4-4 दिन पुराना गोश्त होता है जैसे भी। लेकिन वो आयरनी ये है कि मुझे आदत उस जायके की थी।
Yeah.
And this was the most fascinating thing I discovered. लेकिन अभी भी I can't eat it.
You can't eat it.
हाँ, मैं अभी भी जब ताज़ा गोश्त होता है ना मुझे somehow जो है ना
You know.
हाँ कुछ होता है।
You're like, okay, मुझे chicken ला दो. I cannot eat bakra abhi. Probably you'll have to keep it for another 2 days to kind of make sure that you're able to eat it. But what's the first thing that you cook on Bakra Eid? Is it kaleji? Is it something else?
यार मुझे तो भुना हुआ
ओजड़ी,
नहीं मुझे भुना हुआ गोश्त है।
Bhuna gosh, whatever it is.
कलेजी I can't वो मुझे इधर दर्द शुरू हो जाती है।
नहीं तो basically no, but even if it's bhuni हुई, if it's bhuni हुई kaleji.
नहीं फिर भी
I think Shazad loves kaleji, so he's like trying to.
No, I don't love kaleji. I hate it. But every time I think, may Allah give Jannah to my grandfather. Every time, every morning there's like kaleji. I was like, okay, I don't feel like eating it. Why do we have to cook kaleji? Cook something else. So then, they told me what the science was behind, because that's the first part that can be taken out of the goat
cooked.
easily, and then you can actually cook it. But I don't like kaleji. For all those kaleji lovers, that's totally up to you. What about you, Doc Saab? Your fondest memory?
Yeah, the concept of Eid was always family. So I think the way my fondest memories is going to Sargodha, to our ancestral home, and all these young kids. We were part of that is nostalgia. I think a lot of those family members have moved on. Allah Jannah Naseeb Kare, a lot of them passed away. And this is one of the things that I feel in my life. Inshallah, if we do something worthwhile in this life and go to Jannah, that's the thing I want to create, with all the families coming together. This was an event.
जन्नत में मेरे ख्याल में बकरी ज़िबा अलाउ तो नहीं होंगे.
Yeah, we'll see, but at least we'll get the feel. I hope
Yeah.
we get
And
the
then
feel.
everybody's together.
Well,
Or the
because
Sastrali
we
attendance.
forgot. Sutrali attendance is the second day you have to go for
Yeah,
Sastrali.
that's it.
So I can't tell you that this is a good event or not. But my nostalgia is about being kids. Everybody, remember some of the cousins were living in Lahore, some would live somewhere else.
And everybody
we would
would
all come together. And that sleeping on mattresses in a common room, watching TVs in the night, and just wishing कि light चली जाए. Because then everybody would come out.
together.
And I think that is, for me, like you said, the old ghost, the smell of that old ghost. I'm with you. The ghost smell, it takes a while to get used to this.
Yeah.
But
What's wrong
that
with you
smell
guys?
takes me back to that memory lane.
Oh, अच्छा, हाँ, that I
Bring
can-
that back. That
I mean, if you would have said that, that perfume or, that cologne will take you
Depends.
back to the memory,
No, no,
that
but
smell taking you
I'm
back
sure
to the
I'm
memory.
not the only one. There are
You know,
lots of
you know what I
people who
remembered? What I remembered was because I think it's similar. I don't know whether I should say it on TV or not, but do you know this Nalla Lai, in Rawalpindi?
Yeah.
Because my Dada's house was right next to it and it would smell like anything on Bakra Eid. So that's where I got every day. कि यार यहाँ से ना गुजरना पड़े. But let's move on to Dr. Rubia. When you were a child, what was your or what is your fondest memory as of now?
So we would, same as Usman, like we would go to a family and youngsters getting together और सारे शहरों से लोग छुट्टी करके आ रहे हैं, इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं. But no, for me it's something a bit more current. मैं बड़ी हैरान थी because when हम पाकिस्तान जब आए थे, I thought कि बच्चे जब बकरा ईद पे देखेंगे animal and all the slaughter and sacrifice, I thought कि इनको समझाना बड़ा मुश्किल होगा.
Yeah.
Our son was of the age कि उसको समझ भी आती थी and we wanted to expose him to that as well. And I was really surprised as to how easily they kind of transited into it. और वो जो हमसे मुराद उस्मान ने जो समझाया उसको समझ भी आया and he understood the concept as well. तो वो चीज़ मुझे बड़ा intrigue की कि somehow the other कि ये एक फरंगी बच्चे भी जो थे they even accepted the concept of sacrifice and slaughter because of Eid and the religious perspective of it. तो मुझे वो चीज़ एक थोड़ा सा touched me a little bit कि वो मतलब we've kept a little bit of Musliman alive in our children as well.
Or maybe they were just foodie.
हाँ,
They didn't
गोश्त
care
खोर
where
भी हो
the
सकते
meat
हैं.
was coming from. They just
गोश्त
wanted.
I think, but there's one thing which I've realized now, in my life, and that is that the only reason why Isha is not getting paid is because she makes me do the rest of the work. Aja bete, tu bhi program pe aaya. Please go ahead, why don't you ask them
Shahzada
She's
actually
questions?
the
ask
color of
you-
the show.
Yeah.
Shahzada, I actually wanted to ask you, what is your favorite and most nostalgic memory of Eid?
I think my most favorite and most nostalgic memory would be, how we used to beg our grandfather, for, let's go take us to Bakra Mandi and get us goats at least 5 days prior to this. Because in Rawalpindi, there was this entire vibe of Eid. So you come outside, next door, you see, there are bedas and bakras and whatnot, and then there you are begging your grandfather. So one day I still remember my grandfather was like, पुत्र जाके अपने अब्बू को बोलो कि मुझे पैसे देंगे तो बकरे आएंगे. मैं किधर से लेगा? That was the day when I realized, oh, that's going on. So our parents are not giving them money to go get us the goats as well. So I think that's one memory.
One thing I want to say, यार एक तो emotional attachment भी हो जाती है बकरे के
Yes.
साथ, पता है? When I was a kid, तो हम लोग जब बकरा लेके आते थे, तो 4-5-6 दिन पहले लेके आते थे. तो I used to get attached to the बकरा यार, उसके साथ उसको प्यार करना, उसको घास खिलाना, ये वो. And जब टाइम आता था ना उसको ज़बह करने का, तो उस वक्त I was shattered because as a kid obviously because उसको प्यार किया, वो attach हुआ. तो फिर बाद में सोचा नहीं यार, बकरा ले, बंदा एक दिन पहले ले.
ये relationship
No,
Don't
this is confusing. So first you get attached, then you put it in the freezer for 4 or 5 days, and then you eat it. अब taste ही आएगा. That's sort of an attachment is that.
अच्छा, we name our
bond is
bakras. So
strong.
we name our bakras, and you're so right. I'm like, खुदा का वास्ता है, नाम तो ना रखो उनका, because then they become really real
So
people.
what names? Do you have any
Kiki
names?
and Coco.
Nikki and
Yeah.
Coco?
So we have a Kiki and a Coco every year.
Kiki and Coco 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no!
So every time
Numbers
it's Kiki
keep
and Coco.
adding
Yeah,
up.
Kiki and Coco the first, Kiki and Coco the third, तो अब वो fifth आ गए.
But can we do a bakri for a I don't know if it's Kiki and Coco both
Both
male.
are male.
Okay, male.
So
Naam
it was
जो
our
मर्जी हो.
young children, so they said this is Kiki, this is Coco.
Kiki might have a little bit of reservation about the name though. कि यार ये मेरा की ना रखता है. This one, what about you? Have you ever named your goats?
नहीं, not really.
Thank
Never
goodness.
ever?
Don't
बस
do
वही
that.
emotional attachment यार. Just like a dog, जैसे आपके पास dog as a pet होता है,
Yeah.
तो जब आपके पास बकरा भी 4-5-6 दिन पहले, 7 दिन पहले ले लें, तो it gets used to you then also.
True.
Maybe this is why the parents don't buy it
They don't.
well in advance.
नहीं सर, हमारी अम्मी को सफाई का मसला रहता है. बेटा सफाई कौन करेगा? तुम लोग तो अपनी सफाई नहीं रख सकते हो. You're like, oh my God, imagine. So once I actually literally had to beg my mother कि let me please have a pet dog. She's like, बेटा तुम इतने बड़े हो गए, अपनी सफाई नहीं कर सकते, उसकी कैसे करोगे?
ये तो pet sentence है ना
And then,
हमारा.
and then you know what happened? And then one day she was like, कि या तो कुत्ता रहेगा इस घर में या मैं रहूंगी. Oh my God, this should have never ever come down to this level at least. But I think for mothers, that's how it comes around. But we've got a very amazing game to play. First of all, so Rizwan, we're very sorry because you're not accompanied by your wife today. So
I got my wife.
but she
doesn't
yeah, I know that she can
doesn't
speak,
I
but only on your ishara.
No, yes.
Yeah.
A nice sound
Yeah.
and listens to what you're doing.
Yeah.
So I think that's the perfect
सारे
relationship.
मर्दों की दिल की आवाज. Yeah, it's like the perfect wife. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if that's even a perfect wife or sometimes you're like, खैर सारा कुछ तो वो करी जो मैं कह रहा हूँ यार खुद से भी कुछ कर लेना चाहिए but okay so you have a pen and a paper on your left hand side yes there's a paper as well and there's another pen for Dr. Saab so I'll give it to him so Dr. Saab
There's
this is
pen,
for
there's
you
pen.
but you have to keep it over here okay you guys cannot
Okay.
look at each
Oh
other
gosh, okay.
so and meanwhile Rizwan bhai is going to observe no Rizwan bhai you just have to observe on this one
Okay, okay.
yeah because this game is for husband and wife
Oh no.
okay.
because the guitar will have to kind of face a little
Will
bit
we
of difficulty
remain
while
husband?
writing it
Okay, will
Yeah.
we remain husband
So I'm
and
going to
wife
ask,
after
yeah,
this?
yeah, yeah. So I'm going to ask you questions and you just have to write answers,
ठीक है.
okay?
Go.
Okay.
I'm
so
ready.
no, you have to
Okay,
face
I have
that.
to turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that you guys don't look. So the first question is, what is your partner's favorite eat dish?
Okay.
Yeah. यार आप तो सोच में पड़ गए हैं यार.
So I am writing hers. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my
Okay.
God, this is
Yeah.
gonna be.
Is
Yeah, yeah.
is
It's going to
cheating
be
allowed?
fantastic.
No, you
cannot
can't.
look over
Don't
there,
look over
okay?
here.
So how much do they usually ED you? You know, so how if you guys give ED to
सच
each other?
बोलना है.
Yeah, yeah, sach. Whatever, whatever.
We have to win the game.
Yeah. I don't know. One of you will.
Not win the game,
Yeah.
अपने घर भी जाना है बाबा.
Yeah, what each chore do each of you hate? You know, so you write about her.
Oh, I
and she
know.
write
That is
about
so
mine.
easy
Yeah,
for
yeah.
me. I mean, for him. What do I hate? Acha, okay.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh
You know,
God, what
okay,
does
so
he hate?
I think I've already asked this question, so I don't know whether it's going to be fun or not. But you know, certainly you select the bakra, so we all know it. No, let's skip it. So who argues over korma spice level? Yeah.
And who tries to
carry
avoid
करके आनी
guests
थी
on
घर
Eid?
से.
Yeah.
Who tries to avoid guests on Eid the most?
Tries to avoid.
तो मैं, I have a bad feeling. I'm not
That
going home
facial
today.
expression gave everything away.
Yeah. Okay. So who gives ED and pretends it's a big amount? बहुत पैसे दे दिए.
Oh my God, these are so easy.
Okay.
And who takes more longer to get ready?
Oh, that is so easy.
Yeah, that's easy. So
It's
okay.
not me, by the way. Yeah.
Obviously. Yeah. Go
Okay,
on.
do not expose the answers right now.
Yeah. So go on.
Who is more focused on the meetha rather than the bakra on Eid?
Yeah. कि मीठा क्या पकेगा आज?
Between us both.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
So, साथ
Yeah.
वाले के घर पे.
Okay. So who argues over के बच्चों के कपड़े अच्छे थे या नहीं?
And
Just
who
me.
gets the final say in selecting the bakra?
Well,
That's the
it.
Bakra's say.
Yeah. That's
We
Kiki
don't
and
choose
Coco.
the Bakra. The Bakra chooses us.
you.
Whatever the bakra, it's Kiki and Coco. So I think finally we are done. You know, I think it's about time that we kind of
Tell me answers.
manage which ones are correct or not. Okay, so first I'm going to ask Dr. Saabs from you whether it's okay. So the question was, the first question was, what is your partner's favorite eat dish? You know, he said chops.
Yeah, chops. I love anything meaty, especially chops and ribs.
Wow.
Okay, चलो अब अगली दफा जवाब पहले नहीं बताऊंगा. How much do
वो यही
they
सही होना
usually?
है.
Okay, how much do they usually ED you?
5,000 rupees at most.
There's zero.
Oh my God! Why did I say
Why did I give 5,000?
I think we have Kubab over here who's actually doing our BTS. Kubab, please make sure that you put this in BTS as well. Thank you so much for joining us today.
I have not given you Idi. Are you taking this out of my wallet?
Okay, and then there is what each
Is it
chore do
Prakriti?
they hate?
What each chore does he hate?
Yeah.
So he hates, it's like when I don't let him sleep and do kalula. So like जैसे ससुराल लेके चलो, मिलने लेके चलो. So he hates that bit.
No, it's about you right now. It's about you. You know, so you know, what did he write?
So I hate like probably meeting people.
Wash
doing-
up and cleaning.
Meeting
Then
people
there's
is a
so
chore.
many wrongs.
supposed to
There's so
be
many
doing
wrongs.
हम
Are
तो
you guys
fail
really
होने लगे.
married?
That's how हम fail
Opposites
होने लगे.
Yeah,
attract, you know,
yeah. Okay, that's
Fail
wonderful.
आएगी घर जाके शामत आएगी.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Okay.
Does he know me at all?
Nobody. Okay, what he did? Who selects a bakra? Nobody. Okay.
Nobody,
Who argues over korma spice level?
No, neither of us. Because I'm, yeah.
It says your
are.
name.
This is mine.
Nobody.
No, there's
बाकी
Rubia.
में घर
There's
जाके
Rubia.
शामत आएगी.
Okay. So who gives ED and pretend it's a big amount?
Him always is one.
Ah, yeah, he said.
Goes
Yeah,
without saying.
that's good.
Zero
That's
रुपए
good.
भी big amount है.
Okay, who tries to avoid guests?
Me.
Yeah, that's true. Really?
I know.
Well,
So
लेकिन वो तो नेमत होते हैं मैं मान दो.
but not from that perspective. मतलब
नहीं,
बाकी दिनों
आप
में
हमारे
आए.
घर आए प्लीज.
अब तो नहीं आएंगे मेरे ख्याल है. But the best part is कि आज ईद है तो आज ही लोग शो देख रहे हैं तो खैर है, कोई फर्क नहीं. अब तो जो आ चुका है वो ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. But हाँ अब आप जा सकते हैं. Yeah, what was the next
Oh
question
God,
that
I'm
you
not
asked?
Okay, the
Coming when I
next
talk.
question was, who is more focused on meetha? rather
Usman.
than Bakra.
Yeah, he
Usman.
said. Yeah, he
Which is
said
not saying,
Usman.
yeah. That
And
was an
then
easy
there's who's now? Yeah, what
Who's
was
more
the next?
likely to get late more? Who's
Him.
more likely to get
Yeah, he
late?
said-
100%. Oh, he agree? लेकिन क्या ये शो जो है ना यही पे खत्म हो गया क्योंकि उस्मान आपका भी मान गया. Which man agrees कि जी बीवी जो है वो पहले तैयार हो जाती है? It's always Usman who gets us late, not me.
Okay, and so I think we're pretty much towards the end now. It's for you.
I
Let's
think we've done enough. I think.
let's see. Let's see. So, what is your favorite partner eat dish?
Barbecue, I would have.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
He likes barbecue.
Yeah. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. So, ji, how much do they usually eat you?
Me? She?
But he wrote. You wrote 5,000
No,
rupees.
he gives me. no,
Okay,
he gives
that's
me.
it. Okay. ये नीचे तो अब पता नहीं क्या लिखा हुआ है आपने writing. Your writing is
Doctor-
like
Doctor
doctor's writing.
Doctor's writing.
Pe olle
नहीं,
no
ये
pole.
cheating कर रहा है
क्या
ताकि
ये?
इसको पता ही ना चले क्या लिखा है.
What each chore do they hate? What is this?
What is
But let
he?
him answer
chore.
Oh,
first.
sorry. Oh,
I
each
don't
yeah.
hate anything. I love everything. I'm an easygoing guy.
Easy going guy. No, he hated if I interrupt his sleep and I
Sleep,
say
yeah,
कि
yeah.
बाहर चलो. इसको कलूला, you know, like the
Yeah, I
Kalula
like
syndrome.
my
Yeah,
after
Kalula. No
khana.
Kalula.
Yeah,
Yeah, oh. You know,
After
your
khana
wife knows
sleep.
you better than you know your wife.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wife
okay.
is winning.
Whose selection
Gift
and
hamper
neither,
मिलेगा?
okay,
Is there a
me.
gift hamper at the end of
We
this?
Who
wish
argues
there
over
was
the
a
korma
gift
spice
hamper.
level? That's
You
you.
will have a
me.
gift hamper
Yes,
in
yeah.
spirit.
Okay, then who gives Eidi pretends and it give Usman that's sorted? Who tries to avoid guests? She says Usman.
I try to avoid guests.
No, I didn't lie. I said it was
Both
me.
of you. ओ भाई अगर आप लोग इनके घर पे हो और ये प्रोग्राम देख रहे हैं आप सब निकले भाई ये दोनों नहीं पसंद करते क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग
नहीं नहीं आप वेट करें हम आ रहे हैं हम आ रहे हैं.
Yeah, they're coming back. Yeah, what was the next one?
The next one was who negotiates the price of the goat more?
Yeah, I mean, I think.
Who gets the final say in selection?
It's the bakra.
Exactly. So I think both of you have done horribly well, mashallah. You know, but you can still do better. You know, there'll be more Eid,
The
inshallah,
next
in
year
coming days.
हम
resolution.
तैयारी करके
Yeah, we have another show tomorrow, so probably you can come back prepared.
ईशा next time
गाड़ी में
questions
अभी
और
बैठेंगे
करना.
तो बड़ी सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन होगी वैसे.
नहीं सर अभी नहीं होगी पता है क्योंकि मैं तो एक होस्ट हूँ ना अगर कोई जाती जानने वाला बंदा होता ना उसके सामने ये बात होती फिर शायद होती because I've gone through this myself as well you know how somebody will come in you know one of my cousins says something to my wife and it's over a dinner and nobody's going to take it seriously just when everybody will leave you know so she'll come
फिर
in
पता चलता है.
मुझे तुमसे कोई बात करनी है
Oh, no.
my God, I think this is the moment where I need to die now but it's one way while we're playing games let's play guitar too
This is one of my songs called Awargi. I'll just sing a couple of lines.
आवारगी में हद से
आवारगी काम आ गई दीवानगी काम आ गई दिल ने सुनी दिल की सुबह दिल पे हुआ दिल मेहरबान आवारगी काम आ गई दीवानगी काम आ गई एक प्यार था इकरार था चाहत भरा इज़हार था एक बार देखा था तुझे क्या नूर का दीदार था वो रोशनी काम आ गई दिल ने सुनी दिल की सुबह दिल पे हुआ दिल मेहरबान आवारगी काम आ गई दीवानगी काम आ गई तू मेरी जान मैं तेरी जान इतनी सी है ये दास्तां एक ख्वाब जैसी थी जगह मैंने किया सजदा जहां वो बंदगी काम आ गई, दिल ने सुनी दिल की जुबान, दिल पे हुआ दिल मेहरबान, आवारगी काम आ गई, दीवानगी काम आ गई।
Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah, the lyrics are so amazing as well. आवारगी काम आ गई। इससे पहले हमारे अम्मी अब्बू को आप ये गाना ही सुना देते हम। तो आवारगी काम आ जाएगी किसी दिन।
देखा आवारगी काम आ गई, maybe you negotiate well with the bakras.
Yeah, I think that's great as well. But Rizwan bhai, we actually have another segment where we're going to play a game with you as well, because we do know for a fact how, you know, you kind of look at the eyes and let us know whether what the person is or who the person is. Can you do that?
By looking at the,
Eyes. We
I'll
have
be looking
been-
at whose eyes now.
Yeah, so we'll show you these eyes on that
On
television
screen.
set right in front of us as well, and then you just have to guess whether whose eyes are
whose
these.
eyes they are.
Acha.
ठीक है?
All right.
Aji, are we ready? Please, can we have the first picture now? You know, and you can actually ask for help from Doc Saiba or
okay,
Doc Saab as well. You know,
Yeah.
so we're just taking our time, you know, to load those
अच्छा मैं
eyes.
परेशान हो रहा था, अब ठीक हूँ।
Yeah,
Help is there.
हमें बड़ा पता है
yeah. So you know,
All right. Who's that?
That is
yeah.
that.
He's
Wait,
looking at it.
that's you.
Yes.
Wow.
That's Sarshad.
All right, moving on to the next one. One right.
Okay, next.
Yes. Yeah, we're coming. It's going to take a bit of time. Yes. 3, 2, 1, and the picture. Yeah, that's easy. That's easy too.
Is it?
Ji. He's one of the leading drama artists. चले ये एक hint भी
No,
दे
that
दिया आपको.
third one came too quick.
वो तो आतिफ असलम नहीं
हाँ,
है?
And
third तो
no,
वही
no,
था.
no, 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 he's not
नहीं
Atif.
नहीं नहीं
And he's married to an actress too.
अच्छा यार वो मुझे नहीं वो I need
Yeah,
That
No,
one?
no, the first
The
one. I
first
think there
one.
were two.
yeah.
Yeah.
I thought
Yeah,
it
this
was
one, this
Ibrahim
one.
Luck. I thought this was.
No, no,
नहीं,
no.
I
नहीं,
know
नहीं.
it.
This one.
कोई actor.
I know
It's,
this
it's
one.
very easy. It's very easy.
That one we know. The third we know.
No, no, this
Second
the
one.
second one. Okay.
Second one.
Okay, I'll give it away. That's Danish Taimur.
Ah.
Yeah.
मुझे असल में
So
जो
one right, one wrong.
सारे बुढ़े बुढ़े
जो
यहाँ
आजकल
बिठा
के
के
जवान
जो
हैं
young
ना,
young लोग दिखाते हैं,
I know, which is why I was like, Uncle, see. Okay, now look.
All right,
So that's
now this
Danish
is Danish
Taimur,
Taimur.
everybody.
Oh, I see. Yes.
Yeah. बड़ी नशीली आंखें दानिश की. Yeah, going on to the
All
next
right,
one now.
Next up.
Yeah,
who
I do
we
know for a
have?
fact that that's Danish Taimur. Okay, let's go to the next one. Yes.
ये तो easy
who's that?
peasy है.
ये तो आतिफ असलम है।
Yeah, all
That's
accurate.
easy. That's easy. Atif bhai.
Good.
He had those
बड़ी
hooded
बड़ी
eyes,
आंखें.
ना?
Okay,
That-
next.
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Next one. Oh, that's easy.
वो यार
हाँ.
Yeah.
वही.
वही
That American
हाँ, वही
guy,
वाला, वही
कंप्यूटर
वाला.
वाला.
American guy.
कंप्यूटर वाला.
Computer वाला.
हाँ वो Bill Gates.
Good
Got it.
job.
All right.
Good
Let's go on to
eyes.
the next one. Yes, please.
बहुत stressful game है यार.
Ji.
Next up we have.
Oh, that's
Oh,
easy.
that's Brad.
Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah,
clapping.
ये cheating है.
One
हमें
more,
केवल
one
give
more,
We
me-
have
one
one
more.
more. We have.
One more. But if you get this wrong, Ji.
Oh no, I can think of no.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead.
I think that looks like.
She is also a leading actress.
Actress.
हाँ
Yes.
ये तो आपको पता ही है, जान के नहीं बोल रहे आपकी बेगम है।
चमक चलो
Hey, who's that?
वैसे
देखिए डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प कहते हैं डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प कहते हैं भाई
Okay.
वैसे ही चल जाए
Yeah.
शायद.
But I think she's got like a lot of hearts falling for her. So
yeah
she's Hani Amir.
Hi.
Yeah, oh.
My sister-in-law
apologies
would get this
my
actress.
apologies Hania my apologies like I said kids of nowadays मुझे बहुत कम
Oh,
पता
look,
है
her full pictures are on
Yeah,
screen.
that's
Oh
a
yeah,
beautiful
oh that
picture.
she's
Do we
gorgeous,
have
yeah.
any more?
Yes.
Okay,
We
we
do.
have
I think
more
we have
coming
one
up.
more. Do we have one more? I think yes, we have.
We have
Okay,
some
go
more
ahead.
coming up.
Let's see
I
who's
hope it's not
that.
a bakra or something now.
Yeah,
Let's
do we have one
test
more?
Mr.
Or
Rizwan's
are they now
skills.
playing with us? I think they're playing with us. Yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah, that's from your generation, anyways.
Oh, I was going to say कि कोई पुराना
Yeah.
पुराना भाई क्योंकि हम
Yeah,
बहुत
that's
बुढ़े
from
हैं.
your generation. You've seen
Yeah.
her dramas. She
Nadia
started
Khan.
from a private
Nadia
channel.
Khan?
She did wonderfully well. She's an
ये
actor.
वो है वो नादिया
नादिया खान?
नहीं नहीं
नहीं?
नहीं
सादिया?
इतनी पुरानी नहीं
सादिया
इतनी
हादिया
सादिया माम क्या नाम है
सदा
सादिया सना
Look.
That's Sabah Kamar.
Yeah.
One of the most
Oh, we are so bad.
amazing
सारे
actors
बहुत ही
that
good
Pakistan has
नहीं
ever
देखे
produced.
मैं तो नजर उठा के किसी खातून को देखी
नहीं वो इसलिए हमने उनकी नजरें आपको दिखाई हैं। लेकिन आप उनकी नजरों से देखें. So I think that's great, sir. You've done phenomenally well, mashallah. You know, we
Better
always
than
knew
we
that you
did.
were a great artist, but you were so great at, you know, looking
Looking
at
into
eyes and
people's
letting
eyes and
know what
recognizing
people are
them.
thinking about or who those people are. I think you've done a great job. But one last game before we actually move on towards anything else, and it's going to be the most hilarious game. I don't know whether you guys will feel comfortable doing that or not, but I'm going to give you bakra expressions, and you have to make the noise of the bakra. कि
brilliant.
उस
Thank
हालत
you.
में बकरा क्या आवाज निकालेगा.
Thank you very
Everybody will have to take their own turn.
इसके
And it
बाद
can-
काम पे शक्ल दिखाने की लायक नहीं रहेगी.
and it can be different, okay? So, Dr. Saab, let's start with an angry bakra. How will an angry bakra say whatever angry bakra needs to
You can
say?
use
Where am
body
I looking
language
at?
as well to express
So, in that
yourself.
camera.
लेकिन angry तो I have to look at her.
No, but angry
Shamat, 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 shamat.
गलती निकल गया गलती कट कर दे जी इसे.
bakra. So, you look into the camera number 2 and show us how the angry bakra would speak.
That's me actually. I make the Batman
Yeah,
voice.
but
at
we'll
home.
come to you.
Together.
That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. That's an angry bakra expression. Dr. Rubia, what about you? What is your angry bakra expression?
I don't have an angry bakra expression.
Yeah.
I've never been asked this angry bakra business.
Think about me.
Imagine you're a bull charging at
मुझे टक्कर मारनी है.
Am I angry enough?
That will be an angry lioness then. Yeah.
I do growl a lot, so I probably say something like,
Oh my god,
Yeah,
the
but bakra
expression, the
was
expression was
Was that
worth a million
So
bucks.
this bakra, when
was
it
cool,
gets
that was
angry, does
cool.
not speak.
Does not speak.
All right, for you the
gunga
expression
bakra.
is different. It's one by emotional bakra.
Emotional.
Oh.
पीछे देखो मैं. Very
I had to stand up for
emotional
that.
and standing
I had to
bakra.
stand up.
Emotional understanding bakra.
feel आनी चाहिए ना.
All right, so
feel आनी
this one
चाहिए.
is for you.
Isha,
so,
you,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, because so
अब
that
मजा
they
आएगा.
actually do not feel as if कि इनसे करवा लिया हमने नहीं किया. Yeah. So influencer bakra.
Water cooler इनका हुआ. That's it.
This
Hamper
looks
is
like a
with you.
bakra from somewhere Michael Jackson squad.
नहीं गर्दन in
Yeah.
rhythm.
I think that was
You,
that
he has
was
to do one as well.
that was a
Give him
good
one.
one. So
we
I
have
think
अब आप देना,
yeah.
अब आप भी
अब आप
दें.
दे,
I'll have to do a shy bakra. You know, so I'll do it differently. You know, so I'm a bakra, but I'm a shy one.
Okay.
But I still want to let people know that I'm not that shy. Okay. So I'll be probably.
That sounds like a naughty bakra.
ये तो बकरा was practice.
ये pre-planned था. ये pre-planned.
ये
Isha's was
बकरा plan किया
spontaneous.
गया है.
Isha's was spontaneous.
इसमें शायद मेरी body language ठीक नहीं थी, तो वरना टांग छांगेगा दिखती है उसमें, है ना? Yeah. All right. So lazy bakra.
It's
Probably
still
won't
going
say
on.
anything.
अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ.
Yeah.
Hey, it's still going.
Very. All right. Cricket fan bakra.
Cricket fan bakra.
It has to change emotions
No.
Very accurate.
from
said.
happy to sad.
Yeah, no, it's like crazy
But
bakra.
take out the
पागल हो
bakra
गया.
noise as well.
अच्छा बकरा noise नहीं होती. काट दो.
Yeah. So that's the crazy fan bakra. Cricket fan bakra. Okay. This one by one last for you. Not interested bakra.
Not interested, Bakra.
Yeah. Not interested.
Yeah, I love how he
walking.
said
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
he's getting up and doing the whole dramatic.
I think
Yeah,
I
yeah,
love it too as
proper,
well.
yeah.
Wow, I think it's great. All
I
of you
think
have
we
played.
should keep continuing this.
Yeah,
This is the show.
I think it's like it's great, but a big round of applause for each and every
Yeah.
one of you. You guys did great.
Isha, you're perfect.
Even though you guys are so mature, you guys are so good at your jobs. You are an insurance guru. You are a doctor. You're a doctor too, and you guys still
क्या
manage to
करवा
make
दिया?
bakra noises on national TV. I think that's great.
And you know what I
know,
love about them is that they sacrifice their time that they have to spend with their family, where they have to go to their hospitals and take care of patients, and that gives into the whole idea of Eid, Bakra Eid, where you have to sacrifice
इतनी
and
खुशी
be
के दिन
patient
रुला ना
and
देना।
kinder.
What
I
you-
almost thought you said they've sacrificed their calmness and dignity.
That could have been said.
Bakra
Being a bakra.
That could have been said to very quickly because we're left with last 5 minutes. So is there anything you would want to say? You know, just very recently, Alhamdulillah, you know, Marka Haq was achieved by Pakistan Armed Forces, the, you know, success of Bunyad al-Marsus, you know, for all of that and how, you know, the nation was steadfast in their resolve and we stood right behind our armed forces, the civil leadership, the military leadership. This will be the perfect chance to say it. Please go ahead if you
नहीं
say
यार,
anything.
very well said यार Shehzad. Actually, I do come from armed forces background myself. मेरे वाले
Thankfully,
साहब Navy
otherwise I
में
would
थे.
have been in school.
जी जी. And total respect in the sense के I'll be very honest, जब से ये हुआ है, I am so happy. I am even stronger and more prouder as a Pakistani. And जो देखें, size does not matter. It's जो हमारी ताकत है ना, और जो जिस हद तक हम लोग जाते हैं, जो हमारी फौजें हैं, the Pakistan Air Force, the Pakistan Navy, the Pakistan Army, when it comes to the saving of the country, they will go to any extent.
True.
And the enemies or any other armies in the world don't do this. You know, as much as we, इसमें इस्लाम का वो फिर मकसद आता है ना, जो इस्लाम का मायने आते हैं कि मुसलमानियत क्या होती है, ये मुसलमानियत होती है जो पाकिस्तान के आर्म फोर्सेस ने हमें करके दिखाया है. You see why? Because they are true Muslims, bravest to the core, and it took us only 1 or 2 days to give an example to the entire world. That don't mess with Pakistan.
Absolutely.
You know, and so I be honest with you, I am extremely proud sitting here and saying these things.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Wonderful and wonderfully put and wonderfully said as well. Dr. Saab, what about you? Whatever you want.
So, the meaning of sacrifice on this Eid, this puts this all exercise and the courage of our armed forces and public as well. Okay, this puts everything in perspective. We are laughing today. Just few weeks after this, only because of sacrifices of so many. Armed forces, civilians from Kashmir side, and civilians from our border areas. I think everybody has sacrificed their blood, their money, their effort, and our armed forces. This is why we are sitting here today, enjoying our Eid. So my heart just goes out to everybody who has made this possible, for people like me who can now sit on the sofa with their heads up, feel proud and safe Pakistanis.
True.
And we have told, as Rizwan Bhai has said, we have told the world that we are peace-loving people.
Yes.
But if
Messed around.
it comes to it, then we know how to defend our integrity
exactly.
of Pakistan and on a greater scale Islam as well.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Kya baat hai. Beautiful
Absolutely.
message as well. Dr. Saiba.
I will just say, because like Usman says, कि इसकी तो अपनी movie चल रही है. On a personal note, I never felt more grounded, and I never felt for a second कि मैं कहीं पे anywhere in the world I would rather be.
Kya baat hai.
And that was one point, and I was surprised at myself. मैं तो अपने आप पे भी हैरान थी कि मैं इतना patriotic और nationalist कैसे हो गई. But the point is कि that is, I think it was also from the security, this sense of security that the armed forces has made us feel. We didn't feel scared for a minute. I don't think anybody was panicking or scared. There was no fear. If anything, it was we were ready. We were ready for whatever may come next. So I really am amazed कि मेरी जनरेशन का बंदा जो इतना अपने आप को आधा फरंगी समझता है, सूडो फरंगी समझता है, उसको भी इन्होंने ग्राउंड किया और ये किया. तो I think that is on its own a really big credit on it.
Exactly, Alhamdulillah. But thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for taking our time, and that too on this special occasion as well. So, Bakra Eid Mubarak to you. Please make sure, sir, कि आप बकरा इत्मीनान से खाई और आप थोड़े दिन रुक के. Well, for everybody who's out there, ladies and gentlemen, look after yourselves, you know, look after your loved ones, and you know, these people are amazing people because of the fact that they've always been like family. Alhamdulillah, one way or the other, they've always contributed towards us, towards our lives, towards our well-being, towards the content that we share on Pakistan television screens as well. So, sir, I'll say 1, 2, 3, and all of us will say Eid Mubarak.
Yes,
खड़े हो
let's
गए ना
do it
कहीं
now.
वैसे? खड़े हो गए. All right, so let's do this. So, ladies and gentlemen, for everybody who's out there, please make sure that you enjoy with your loved ones and with your family. So 1, 2, 3, Eid Mubarak! आ जाओ.